Oh yes. Oh yes. Look what my wife just bought me. 25-inch airboat ready to run. Here you go, baby. How much did I pay for it? From Anchorage House of Hobbies. I had paid $269.99. That's what my wife paid. 270 bucks. Oh my goodness. Brand new. Oh my goodness. We're gonna take a look on the inside how it got packed up. Goodness. Okay. See what's inside the box.
Oh, it came with...
Look at what it comes with. Stickers for the mouth, sheriff, SWAT. Wow. Has a gun mount on there. Some other stuff. Some tools. It comes with tools and everything. Instruction manual. Okay. I never follow any steps. Let's check what kind of remote we got.
And they gave us batteries for it as well.
Check out this STX2. Remote has throttle trim, throttle rate, throttle trim, steering trim, reverse or natural, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna enjoy that. See what else is here. Keep the phone. Fucking A. Nothing in here, nothing up here. Oh my goodness. Y'all can imagine I've been eyeballing this boat for quite some time. Look at the bottom. Looks nice, neat. See where everything else goes, see what this is. It's a pretty good fan in there. I am excited. I tell you what, I'm so excited to run this boat. This is where the battery goes. This is also the servo. Oh my goodness. So this boat, it also has lights in the front. It has a little man I could put right here. I could put a little man right here if I want to.
There's the power button.
Yep, the power button. What kind of fan do we have here? We got a motor with, it's a 2800 kilowatt, 14 pole dyno. So it looks like it's not that bad. The propeller we're running, it looks like a 36 pitch. Here we're running also both top and bottom on the servo steering. This looks pretty damn good, guys. So yep, we're gonna end the video here and I'm gonna go get it all set up, and then once we'll have it ready to go. See ya. Yep, just show what we got done so far. Let's look at a little decal we did now.
And there's lights. The lights are on.
Yep, lights are on. Steering works.
Ooh.
Let's full blast. Let's go see what goes on. This is police. This is my own the way I put the stickers on that came with. Sorry, I've been smoking. All right. Maiden boat ride.
Now look at that thing fly. Mm-hmm. Two things my baby loves. Going fast and making noise. At least you didn't.
Heard it echo?
Yeah. What do you think of this one?
Fucking awesome.
I thought the duck would fly away. He wants to stick around for his female. There were people earlier, but they left. ducky. Is that boat too crazy for you? Yeah.
Sorry, babe.
Babe.
Help myself. Help myself. I bumped myself. I'm gonna turn it off. We're gonna plug the battery. Good thing that I did it right here.
Yeah. Not out there.
Yeah, I plugged the battery. Knocked myself pretty good. I fucking plugged the battery with my knocking. Wow. So that's one thing.
Yeah.
That's one thing to find out. You hit something pretty hard enough, you could knock the battery out. So you could probably get a battery clasper.
Yeah.
Clasp that shit down good.
So that way it's not.
Yeah. Do you want to try, baby?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'd like you to try. Here.
No.
It's on 50%. It's only 50 throttle trim, so you go push it. Here, guys, I'll put you on 100. So go ahead, go. Look at my babe driving my boat. Look at that thing. That is so loud. Let's make it scream. Open it up, baby. Is it full? Okay. Woohoo. So fucking awesome. Okay, dude. Okay. Just here. Overall, I give the Aero Trooper a rating of 5 stars for fun.